Hey, what's up guys, NJ here. Doing keyboard unboxing. So today I'm gonna unbox Motospeed Inflictor CK104 Blue Switches Tactile Mechanical Keyboard. So got my trusty knife. Here we got black box. So it says here
K104 RGB backlight mechanical keyboard. RGB tiny size, oh yes English. RGB cool LED lighting effects. Cool keyboard without conflict, fast response, multimedia function key combination, free of EEPROM memory, absorb flash chip, quick win, avoid finding by accident, and cut out the desktop.
cut off the desktop. So I don't know what's that, but let's get it open. Okay. Here you go. Ding. In the box we got, I'm guessing, instruction manual, warranty card which I can't use obviously, and the keyboard. Nothing else in the box. It's nice that they protect this with styrofoam. It's connected via the via the USB. Here's the keyboard. So I'm going to test it out and set it up. Here it is, it's all set up. This is the bump steady mode function. Insert, change to 9 different modes. This like it will slowly dim. This is the game mode, so there's 5 modes you can press. Function 1, FPS. Function 2, another game mode, Call of Duty, LOL, and this one race mode. And you also can set it up by pressing function home. So when it blinks, you can set it up to whatever you want. But I'm gonna touch it. Oh shit! Right. Okay, crap. Just gonna reset. Gaming mode, rainbow mode, so you just change colors, and then this one is the one where it will disappear, and then like a wave mode. Yeah, snake mode, I don't know what it's called, this cool wave thingy. And like water bombs, and lastly this rainbow effect. So yeah, that's all I have. And switching to a mechanical is so much better. Oh my god. It's like this is just, oh my god. So yeah, cheers guys.